once the power is restored, you hear children shout up Nepa. It means that there was something that wasn't there.
The challenge that has led Nigeria to move from one form to the other in terms of the structure has just been that how can everybody go have access to electricity? It has been an access challenge with transmission. We've done quite a lot, but it's still a problem. We relied more on the gas, and a lot of these gas centers are in the south
Yeah.
and Lagos area. But what has been happening in the power sector is that what you generate and eventually sell, you don't even get up to the cost of what you used to produce.
Means that apart from the technical issues which you mentioned, even as consumers,
Yeah.
we also have issues.
There are issues
Somehow,
issues of energy theft. People are not metered properly, so they are stealing power. Those that are metered are even bypassing meters. So what government has been doing over the last few years, just like similar to what's happening within the petroleum sector, was to pay subsidies. It makes sense for you as a country to take in all of these resources that you have and try and see how you can develop them, so you don't get to rely on just one energy source.